Hey YouTube folks, how are you doing? Today's is where Gigi says, hey guys.
We're at the beach, guys.
See who we brought to the beach. The solid silicone reborn babies. Gigi.
The new ones and the new member are here too.
The new guy, Gigi, right?
It's Farugum.
It's Farugum, guys. Look how cute Farugum is. And we're going to show you what our day at the beach will be like, everyone. And guys, if you thought Farugum was really cute and you want a Farugum like this, just as cute, with Gigi, you can pick the eye and hair color. I'll leave in the description the Criando Años by Daniela Leal Studio, who also made this perfection here. Guys.
Yes, so let's get to the video.
And Daddy is already filling up a little pool here. So they can play, right? Gigi, are you going to play in the pool? They're already here, anxious and waiting.
Let's go. Calm down, Mom.
Let's go.
There.
Oh, they're already in the pool. Look at what they're doing, guys. They've already buried here, look.
Hey, can I put Leal?
They've already buried it and left it here. Ronaldinho brought more water, so look what they did, Ronaldinho.
It's not to fill up.
They tossed sand.
Guys.
Look, what happened was pouring water on the little monkey. But we can fix it, guys, because it's really simple. We just have to put the little eye back on. Look, guys, there you go. Oh my God. Poor little monkey.
Hey, Leozinho, I want to get in the pool with you too. I'm going to jump in 1, 2, 3, and we.
How nice. Now it's Jade's turn. I'm going to take out the pacifier. And here you go, Mommy. Oh my God. Oh, how delicious. Throw some water on her, little Leo. Go ahead.
Little Leo, I'll help you rehearse.
Look at the pants.
Guys, let's take this off of Mommy. It's way too loose on her.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Mommy. Leo, the little monkey, is in the pool. I'm going to splash water on Leo.
Splash, splash.
Gigi, where's your monkey?
I don't know, Mom. I don't know, Mom. He was right here on the line.
No.
He's not here, Mom.
Gigi, look.
Oh, poor thing.
Hey.
Leo, look who's loving the pool. Water in the street campaign. I'm getting my shots. Leo, what are you gonna do?
I want to sing.
Do you want to play too?
Really?
Hey, calm down, Leo. Calm down. Be careful with them, okay? Leo, they're just babies, all right?
They need to play.
That's very good. Leo?
The monkey?
He knows how to lasso. He knows how to swim.
Let me see. Oh, isn't he actually swimming? Oh. I'm going to throw Ms. Leo. Oh, how cute. Leo is playing with the little monkey. You can't. That's not nice, Leo. Don't leave or stop. You won't play with the little monkey anymore. There you go.
Now let's stay here.
Look. Corn time. Gigi and Ronaldinho here. Look, this is really bad. It's bad. Ronaldinho, it's not good. It's good. Gigi, look. Is it coming? The color of the sun? Look. Leozinho. Don't stop throwing sand. Don't stop throwing sand in the pool, guys. Let's bring him here. Look, I came to stay with him here. Let's look at his little feet. And there you go, yay.
Now,
Yay.
how delicious.
Now let's give them their juice. Jade's orange juice. And Farragham's mango juice. So let's give it to Farragham. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how hungry he was, guys. Gigi, you're making noise, guys. Gigi, he was so hungry, did you see? Look at this, guys. He drank it all.
Now she becomes a mom, becomes one because...
Becomes one because? No. Then go nurse some more. I want more, then go nurse some more.
Bye.
Yay, I'm satisfied. I'm gonna burp. Yay.
I'm full.
I'm a little hungry too. Now let's give Jade a prepared mom and a prepared grandma, right? Bring the orange juice here and bring everything she's going to need, right, guys?
We brought the little cup so she can have her cinnamon juice.
And Jade actually breastfeeds, right, guys? If you like Jade, give lots of likes. See, she's actually drinking. And Jade was also made by the Criando Anjo Studio by Daniela Leal. Guys, later you can check it out in the description. She has YouTube and Instagram. Jade drinks and pees. What is it? Loyal?
Peas, and poops.
She's getting everything wet here, guys. She's peeing a lot. Guys, she's nursing. Look at this. She's already nursed a lot. She's already, look, her diaper is full of pee, guys.
It's because she nursed, sweetie.
Yeah, she nursed, sweetie, from Leal.
Strawberry?
What's strawberry, Leal? That's an orange. Strawberries are red, right?
Orange? Your skinny one is going to die.
He's going to die? Hey. Guys, look at how much pee Jade has already made. I'm satisfied too. I'm going to burp. Did you hear that burp, Leal? Bye. Affection, Leal, right? Leal covered her mouth to stop burping, but she still needs to burp. Guys, look, it's already night at the beach. Gigi already changed clothes and wants to leave, but forgot something. Giovanna still needs to finish caring for the babies, right, guys?
Look at this, guys. Look at their situation. Let's give them a shower and get them cleaned up.
Guys, I'm going to take Jade first because she's the one who's the dirtiest. I'll wash her in the big shower. Thanks. Thank you. Now look at the state of Farragham. Then let's dry it, guys. They're already here, okay? I put the cute little diaper on.
Look at this. This is so cute. Now it's the girl. That's it.
I've already put their clothes on. I'm going to give Jade her pacifier because she's very nervous. 1, 2, 3. Guys, just a reminder for anyone who wants to know where to find the solid silicone reborn baby Jade, it's at the Criando Años studio by Daniela Leal. And the little monkey too. Look at the state of the little monkey's hair.
No, don't take him. Hey, hey, hey!
Hey.
Thank you.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
What's up?
Hey, Sandalia.
All set, guys. Let's put her here for us. Let's go home. Gigi is over there with the little monkey. Let's put him there too. Gigi will go here.
Look over there, look. Look over there, look.
And we just got home now, right? Gigi mom.
Go give him a bath while I sort out the clothes.
Gigi is already dead tired. Everyone's hungry and we have to give them a bath, right guys? Get them ready for bed. Look at the state they're in, guys. Okay, we did rinse them off there, but even so, they're still a little sandy, still have salt water on them. And what about the silicone reborn babies? They can't stay with salt water on them. We have to wash them with fresh water after they go to the beach, otherwise they'll get damaged.
So let's start with Jade.
She's still covered in sand even after we gave her a shower there, guys.
Let's go.
And now it's Farragham's turn, right guys? He's also, guys, I'm going to clean his little eye because he's got sand inside. Kids were playing. So there's no residue left? And let's go. Let's go. It will fit inside it. So we remove all the salt. And then, look. And both of them are already smelling nice. I'm gonna put them, guys. She's really sleepy, Jade, guys. Hi, guys. I'm gonna sleep. Okay, she's already clean, smelling good. And let's see here. Look at this, guys. I also took a bath. I smell good. I'm gonna sleep with my little friend, right, little friend?
If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos.
And now the one who's going to get clean is Miss Gigi, who's all dirty from the beach. We're going to nurse and sleep now. Bye.